करो कुछ ऐसा कि देश का सम्मान बढ़ जाए, मरो ऐसे कि तिरंगे की शान बढ़ जाए, भरो पिचकारी ऐसी 3 रंगों की, जब कपड़ों पर पड़े तो हिंदुस्तान बन जाए। A very good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Neha Chaudhary and I am going to speak about the National Constitution Day of India. Being born as an Indian is a blessing, and Constitution Day is one such occasion to celebrate this blessing. It was on this auspicious occasion that Constitution of India came into existence and gave our country direction to free, grow and prosper. Constitution Day is celebrated in India on November 26 every year. On this day, back in 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India formally adopted the Constitution of India, which was came into effect on January 26, 1950. It is also known as National Law Day, Samvidhan Divas, or National Constitution Day. Therefore, marking the dawn of new era, to acknowledge the contribution of framers of constitution and to aggravate the people regarding to the prominent values and to commemorate the adoption of constitution, 26 November is celebrated as Constitution Day. While the constitution was adopted in November and the enforcement was done in January, giving thorough reading and translation from English to Hindi in 2 months buffer time. Back in the year 1949, before the constitution was adopted, B.R. Ambedkar said in his speech, one must abandon the methods of civil disobedience, non-cooperation and satyagraha. Interestingly, B.R. Ambedkar is also known as founding father of Republic of India. He was selected as chairman and also known as drafter of Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India declared India as sovereign, secular, democratic, socialist and republic. It declared justice for every Indian, liberty of thoughts and expression, equality and fraternity. The National Constitution of India is the longest constitution ever to be written by any country in the world. It is influenced by other constitutions of other countries like French Constitution, Constitution of Japan, etc. On this Constitution Day, let us salute every Indian who has contributed to make India a better place for the generations to come. Let us also take opportunity to remember the sacrifices of great Indian men and women who fought for us and for the freedom of India. In conclusion, I would like to say that the celebration of Constitution of India is essential since we became aware what values our predecessors wanted to instill in us. We must understand and stand by every word it says since it provides guidelines that how should Indians uphold themselves. I hope to become an Indian who make their country proud. Thank you.